Welcome to the top best. The best glassware is probably one of the most delicate items in any home, and when it comes to moving or storing it, proper packing is absolutely essential to prevent chips, cracks, or complete breakage, ensuring your cherished pieces arrive at their destination intact. So today we're diving deep into the art and science of packing boxes for glassware, transforming a potentially stressful task into a smooth and successful operation. Number 5. HOLDN Storage Wine Glass Storage Box, 2-pack. Safeguard your delicate wine glasses, crystal, and fine china with our protective storage solution. It's designed to keep your cherished items safe and sound. This set comes with 2 conveniently sized containers, each clearly labeled for easy identification. Storing your glassware has never been simpler or more organized. Travel with confidence thanks to the sturdy carry handles. You can easily transport your precious glassware without any fear of damage, even on the go. Crafted from durable quilted microfiber, it offers excellent protection against damage. Your items will remain organized and in pristine condition, just as you expect. At HOLDN Storage, we are committed to your satisfaction. We stand behind the quality of our products, ensuring you receive the best for your home. What we like? This option offers excellent protection with its durable quilted microfiber material. It also features convenient carry handles for easy transport. If you're looking for a ready-made solution to protect your wine glasses and fine china during moves or storage, this is a great choice. What people say. These boxes are sturdy and provide excellent protection for glassware. The dividers included in the box are a great feature for keeping glasses separate and preventing breakage. Easy to assemble and stackable, making storage and transport convenient. Number 4. Moving Supplies Cushion Foam Pouches. Introducing our high-quality cushion foam pouches, designed with anti-static film technology. They are flexible, tough, and resistant to compression, offering superior protection against impacts, fractures, and scratches during transit. These foam pouches are not only reusable but also made from selected materials with no peculiar smell. Utilizing advanced edge pressing technology, they offer a durable and recyclable alternative to traditional packaging. Measuring 16 by 16 inches, these pouches are ideal for a wide range of items, from delicate glassware and tableware to cherished collections and artworks. They ensure everything stays safe and secure. Experience multi-layered protection with moisture-proof, shock-proof, and scratch-proof properties. They are perfect for safeguarding electronics, preventing damage to furniture edges, and ensuring child safety. Specially customized for e-commerce sellers, these pouches serve as excellent filling material to prevent rattling and damage during shipping. They save you time and provide peace of mind. These foam pouches offer great value and come with a commitment to 100% satisfactory service. We are dedicated to providing better products and premium support for all your packaging needs. What we like? These foam pouches are incredibly flexible and tough, designed to absorb impact and prevent scratches. They are also reusable and eco-friendly. If you need versatile, protective wrapping for a variety of medium to large fragile items, especially for e-commerce shipping, these are ideal. What people say. Worked perfectly to keep our plates and larger items safe during our move. Easy to use. Size was perfect, nothing broke during our move, which is the most important thing. These are foam bags, not bubble bags, but they provide adequate cushioning between plates and stackable items during a move or for storage. I got these to protect the paintings when hauling them back and forth, but also I wrap them when someone purchases the art. It's added the right cushion and protection, so I've noticed it's rare that I have an issue with damaged art now. Packaging is easy because I got a size that either fits most of my work or I can use 2 sleeves for longer pieces. Tape sticks very well, so you can cut these and resize for any fit or size you need. The quality is decent and they don't rip easily unless you pull tape off of them. The dish pouches arrived quickly and as described by the seller. They made packing dishes easy. They fit into the soft packing material, and were large enough to fold over, providing each dish with added protection for stacking in a chest. Number 3. Codree Glass Packing Kits. Moving fragile items like glassware can be stressful. Our packing kits are designed to provide superior protection for your delicate belongings during transit. Each kit includes cardboard dividers in 2 sizes and 48 foam pouches. These can be assembled to create 12 compartments, perfect for organizing and safeguarding your items within standard moving boxes. Setting up is simple, just unfold the dividers and assemble them into compartments. They are also reusable and removable, making them a convenient and eco-friendly packing solution. Crafted from thick, 3-layer corrugated paper, these dividers offer robust protection against bumps and impacts. The included foam bags add an extra layer of defense against scratches. Ideal for moving and storage, they safeguard everything from kitchenware and holiday decorations to vases and wine bottles. Ensure your valuables arrive safely and without damage. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not happy with your purchase, simply return it for a refund. Plus, our 24-hour customer support is always here to help with any questions. What we like. This kit provides sturdy corrugated dividers that assemble into customizable compartments, along with reusable foam bags for extra protection. If you're moving and want to create a secure, tailored packing system for glassware and other fragile items within standard moving boxes, this is a practical solution. What people say. They fit almost perfectly, there was a little bit of wiggle room but nothing to worry about. The size was great and it seemed very sturdy. Great dividers and easy to put together but hard to fit in the right size box. Very sturdy. Need to still wrap your glassware to ensure protection. Glass wrappers are great addition as well. The soft pockets to protect the glassware are wonderful. Number 2. VERONLY Stemware Storage Cases, 12 wine glasses. This set includes 2 storage cases, each designed to hold 12 glasses. With 24 individual cells, you can safely store a variety of glassware, from wine glasses to champagne flutes. The included lids keep your precious glassware protected from dust. They also allow for easy stacking, helping you maximize your storage space and keep your cupboards tidy. Crafted with a durable exterior and soft interior padding, these cases offer excellent protection against impacts and breakage. The convenient zipper makes accessing your items a breeze. These organizers are designed for convenience. They are foldable for easy storage when not in use and portable, making them ideal for moving or travel. Featuring a label window, you can easily identify and organize your different types of glassware. Keep your kitchen and dinnerware collection neat and accessible. We are committed to providing you with a great product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out for a satisfactory solution. What we like. This storage box offers a large capacity, holding up to 12 glasses per unit, and features a stackable design with a lid to keep dust out. It's also foldable for easy storage when not in use. If you need organized, dust-free storage for a significant number of wine or champagne glasses, especially in smaller living spaces or RVs, this is a perfect fit. What people say. These boxes are specifically designed for glassware, offering sturdy construction and ample padding to protect fragile items during transit. The interlocking tabs ensure a secure closure, preventing accidental opening and further safeguarding the contents. Each box is conveniently sized for individual glasses or smaller sets, making organization and packing efficient. Number 1. Dish Packing Kit with Foam Pouches. Moving or packing fragile items like dishes? Our kit offers the perfect solution to keep them safe and secure during transit. You'll receive 20 cardboard dividers in 2 sizes and 30 foam bags in 3 sizes. These are designed to fit perfectly into standard 16 by 12 by 12 inch boxes. Crafted from thick, 3-layer corrugated paper, these dividers provide robust protection. The included foam bags add an extra layer of defense against scratches. Assembly is a breeze. Each divider can be easily folded to create storage compartments. Plus, they're reusable and can be cut to size for your specific needs. Whether you're moving house or just need extra storage, this kit is perfect for preventing damage and scratches to your kitchenware and other valuables. We're confident you'll love our product. If you're not satisfied, simply return it for a refund. We also offer 24-hour customer support for any questions. What we like. This kit focuses on protecting dishes and plates with durable corrugated dividers and a variety of foam pouch sizes. It's designed to fit standard moving boxes, making packing straightforward. If your primary concern is safely packing kitchenware like dishes and plates for a move, this kit offers effective, straightforward protection. What people say. All my glasses, plates, basically all my dishes work perfectly in these slits and I transported them with no breakage at all. The glass pack saved my glassware and dishes. The padding and dividers kept my glassware and plates from being broken. The cardboard fits snugly. Also, once the divider is in, dinner plates didn't fit there either, even with my own wrapping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.